It's the dawn of a new era. Bagong kabanata ang Season 79 para sa Lady Eagles. At ayon sa newly appointed team captain na si Gia Morado, malaking role ang gagampanan niya upang mapunan ang posisyong iniwan ng 3-time UAAP MVP na si Alyssa Valdez.
Siyempre, it's an honor to be a captain of such a good team. But at the same time, it's not something that I think about, especially when we play kasi everyone inside the court naman is a leader.
Sumabak ang kupunan sa iba't ibang off-season tournaments at naging malaking tulong ang kanilang training abroad upang maging mas handa sa hamon ng UAAP.
So far, since pumasok ako, I can see the team na nag-improve lang na nag-improve. Especially nung pumunta kami ng Thailand and Japan to train.
Without Ate Lai, syempre we always try and take it to a positive light. It's still sad, obviously, that she's gone kasi wala na yung number one namin na reliable talaga. But change naman can always be good.
Malaki ang naging pagbabago sa lineup ni Coach Ty Bundig dahil na rin sa pagbabalik ng kanyang ilang key players sa team.
Siyempre, sobrang happy. Makabalik na rin ako at last. Sobrang iba kasi yung intensity ng UAP eh. I wanna go beyond. Ano pa yung kaya kong gawin na.
Aasahan ang much improved defense ng kupunan na pangungunahan ng graduating senior na si Giselle Tan.
It's not enough na you got an award. It's more of a blessing for you na you work hard for it, but then that means you just have to work harder. Yung iniisip ko talaga is I have to give it all out na talaga. All out, all hard.
Nabigo man ng Lady Eagles na depensahan ang kanilang titulo nung nakaraang taon, susubukan muli ng Katipunan squad na maibalik sa Ateneo ang inaasam na championship sa UAAP Women's Volleyball ngayong season.
UAAP, I think, is really where we bring all of it out. Every year naman, syempre, we wanna win.
Sa lahat po ng fans namin, thank you sa lahat ng suporta nyo and we appreciate it. Sobrang nakagana po maglaro. God bless and see you at the games.
Go Ateneo! One big fight! Subscribe now to ABS-CBN Sports and Action YouTube channel.